Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to assemble a two-wheel drive body. The parts required for assembly are a chassis board, 4 brackets, 2 wheels, 2 motors, 1 screwdriver, 1 Castor wheel and nut and bolts. So let's start the assembly. Now we are going to connect one motor to the chassis. So first of all, insert the brackets through the slots. Then place the DC motor in between the brackets. Then insert the bolts through the holes. And then fix it with the nuts. Tighten the nuts with the help of screwdriver. Similarly, we will connect another motor to the other side of the chassis. Now attach the wheels to the motor shaft. Now we have to connect a Castor wheel to the chassis. So first of all, insert 3 bolts through these 3 holes. Then fix these bolts with the help of nut. Tighten the nut and bolt with the help of a screwdriver. Now insert another nut in each bolt. Now insert the Castor wheel through the bolts. And then fix the Castor wheel with the help of the nuts. So the assembly of two-wheel drive body is done. Thank you.